Hey, what's going on, everyone? Today is the 27th of January, 2023. It's about time for us to talk about Tesla. I know it's all the hype right now because they did their earnings, and a lot of people are now dropping their opinions as to what the price in Tesla is going to do. That's the thing that amazes me, is that people come out with their ideas after the price has moved 10%, 11%. Like, you should have been in the play way ahead of time so that you can capitalize off of that move. So after the price in Tesla has moved 10% after the release of earnings, now you're going to begin to see more eyes come to the market in Tesla, to where people think that the price is going to continue to go up, and they're going to join on board and think that price is going to run to $500 now. Like, we need to pump the brakes. This is the reason why I do my videos, is because I want you all to already be in place. I want you guys to understand that you might want to get in ahead of time before the herd comes, so that you can continue to ride the wave and increase your profits. If you wasn't in the play prior to earnings release for Tesla, you missed out on 11%. But if you see the chart in front of you, I did a price prediction in Tesla right here on the 20th of January before earnings. Now, the price target that I had, my ultimate TP price was around 137, but I told you that if price was able to break above it and see price hold $137 as support, I wouldn't be surprised to see the market run to 150. And look at where we are at on the last trade of yesterday, 26%. So when I did the video on the 20th of January to the 27th, 7 days, the market went up 26%. Now, obviously, I'm here to see whether or not the market in Tesla is still a buy. Is the price still going to go up? Because if so, we need to get prepared for it. Now, let me go ahead and show you all that the price action in Tesla, a lot of stocks are trading like this, okay? And you're not going to see this until many people are not going to talk about the movement in stocks right now until it's obvious that the price is trending up. Like, Tesla is massively in a trend, okay? So guess what? As forecasters, as long as price in Tesla is going to continue to hold that line, we're going to expect price to continue to move higher. Okay. Now, this is not the time to become complacent and let the foot off the gas. We still need to be a little bit cautious because we're definitely seeing weakness in the market in Tesla. All right. So take a look, though. It was a great run. This is what some technical analysts would say. This could be a bear market rally, meaning that it catches a lot of people off guard, thinking that the bear rally, the downturn is over. But it's really not, right? So if we were to take it from the low of Tesla here in the beginning of the year, like I said, we've seen a pretty good run of 55% for this month alone. That's going to bring a lot of people into the market now. A lot more eyes is going to begin to look at Tesla. And then that's going to be when price comes all the way back down. So let's not become complacent and think that we're done with a downturn. Let's not do that, because that will cause us more damage than good. All right. So now I zoomed out the price chart because we're just going to simply look at next areas that we can see selling. Okay. That's the first area, which is around 168. And then the second one is going to be around 177 to 180. That's it. Those are my two price targets now. Yeah, because we know we are trending higher. 2, the gap up that we've seen yesterday in Tesla tells us that the overall demand is there. And then 3, all we had to do is look at a couple of time frames, and we'll definitely see strength on the chart. So in the next 8 hours and 43 minutes, this tells me on the weekly chart that, man, this market is definitely trying to go up. Okay, it is what it is. See, I'll show you both sides of the markets. You know, I'm not biased when it comes to price action. Now take a look. 2 weeks, 8 hours and 43 minutes left. Even here on the 2 weekly chart, the market looks healthy. It tells us that the market is trying to go somewhere, and it's trying to go up. And we're not going to be the ones to be in the way and get knocked out because people are trying to move this price up. And this is where I think the ultimate market is going to try to go to 180 possibly 200 if the stock market continues to trade the way that it's been trading. This has been a very strong market while everybody has been, pessimistic in terms of the economy and inflation, the war in Ukraine. The market is still healthy though. Like, the market is not acting as weak as some people may have thought. So let's go ahead and put this on the chart. First price target is like 168. The second one is up there around 180. Okay. So let's see what we got in terms of percentages. 168. That's another 4.5% market move higher. And then for us to go to around 178, 180, it's around another 12%. Okay. Now, we want to see price in Tesla hold at least 135, but definitely I want to see price hold this trend line. So even if we do see price come down, I want the buyers to continue to confirm that it's going to hold that trend line, because they'll definitely tell us that the market is strong. Okay. If we see price in Tesla do this, like, it is what it is, break the trend line, then we'll have to come back in and talk about the market in Tesla. Like, where did the buyers go? The buyers shown themselves here because they were willing to keep the price up. But if it does this, if price does that and break that trend line, the buyers left. And if buyers leave, then guess what? We need to leave too. That's how you need to move when it comes to stocks. If the buyers are there, we'll be there. If the buyers leave, we'll leave, and then we'll become sellers. That's how this game is meant to be played. So go ahead and give me your thoughts. I think they're currently, from what I'm seeing on the weekly 2 weeks chart for Tesla, the price is still bullish. Market is still showing some demand to continue to lift this price up. So I added 2 additional price targets. 168 is the first one. Then second one is around 78, 180 for Tesla there. All right. So go ahead and give me your thoughts as to what you think the price action in Tesla is going to do. And I'm done. Make sure you maintain the profitability. And as always, trade different.